Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we'll show you how to manually reset the oil interval, oil life reset on BMW E65 E66. This is a 745 LI 2003 model. What you guys need to do, make sure you close all the doors, all the windows, all of them. Next, you need to put the key on, don't press the brake. All you have to do, click start to turn the ignition on, like that. Next, okay, you need to hold the trip button right here. Okay, hold it until the service menu appears. Okay, keep holding. Okay, right there, guys. This is service menu. Now we're going to go, okay, to engine oil, okay, right here, then hold it again. Okay, we're gonna hold. Okay, and once the engine oil is selected, okay, click the button until you get the message on the other side, right here. Now you go down by clicking the trip button one more time. Okay, reset engine oil. Keep holding that one now. Okay, reset engine oil. Okay, now you're going to click the button one more time. Now you click until you go back and hold it to exit the menu. And this is it, guys. As you can see, we reset our engine oil interval. Pretty simple. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.